Welcome to the Shop Relevant site, where you can browse and purchase all products offered by Relevant that are available online. Let's say you're searching for a specific product. From the Products menu, navigate to Instrumentation, select Pressure. For this example, we'll select a pressure gauge. Clicking on pressure gauges takes you to the full category page where you can refine your search using the filtering options on the left-hand side. You can filter by availability to show only items that are in stock, select a manufacturer such as Ashcroft, and choose a case material like stainless steel. You can further narrow your selection by choosing a dial size. For example, a 2.5-inch gauge, which is a popular option. You also have the option to filter by whether the gauge is liquid-filled. From there, you can select the primary pressure range, such as 0 to 100. After applying these filters, the results will display the products that are in stock, available, and ready to ship. You can select a product, add it to your cart, and proceed with your purchase. You also have the option to add products to your favorites for easy access later. If two products appear similar and you'd like to compare them, you can add them to the compare list. This allows you to view the products side by side and review their specifications to identify any differences and determine which option best fits your needs. All saved items can be accessed through your favorites list, making it easy to return to them whenever you revisit the site. Now let's look at how to compare two controllers and add one to your cart. From the Products menu, go to Instrumentation and select Controllers. Once in this category, you can use the filters on the left-hand side to narrow your search. From a manufacturer perspective, Honeywell is available and you can refine your selection further by choosing specific approvals such as FM approval, communication requirements, and the number of inputs and outputs. As you apply these filters, the product list will continue to narrow until only the matching options remain. Because these controllers are highly configurable and do not have a listed price, they can be added to a quote cart instead of the standard shopping cart. Once added, the items will appear in your quote cart, where you can submit a request to receive pricing. That wraps up our overview of how to browse, filter, and request pricing on the Shop Relevant site. Thank you for watching.